everybody. So today I'm gonna be doing like a more relaxed vlog style video. I have a little designer dupe haul for you guys. I have to be kind of quick because the baby's still sleeping, so I want to get this done before she wakes up. So I did a little bit of shopping and everything that I bought is pink. I know that you guys really like these videos, so I decided to pick some things up and show you. So if you like pink, if you like designer dupes, then continue to watch. So I bought 2 items. Okay, so we're gonna start with the bag first. So I ordered this amazing bag from dhgate. It came in this nice dust bag. The dust bag for this is still good quality, so it looks like this. And then when you go in, the bag looks like this. So I decided to get like a small cute little shoulder bag. I've been really into these bags lately, and when I seen this, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get it. It's really good quality. Now I can't remember exactly how much I paid for this, but it was under $100. I want to say probably like 80 Canadian dollars, so it's fairly inexpensive. It's pink, my favorite color. This is what the emblem looks like. We have that there, and there is like a good amount of space inside, so you can fit like your wallet, your phone, your lip gloss, your hand sanitizer, your hand lotion, all that fun stuff. So that's what it looks like inside. Now I did do a comparison with this bag on my Instagram story with my original. I have a shoulder bag. Well, it's not really a shoulder bag. It's like a bag that you can wear like that. I don't know, was that a shoulder bag? Comment down below if that's called a shoulder bag. So I did a side-by-side between that bag and this bag. A lot of people thought that this was the original, so that just shows you that this is pretty good quality. I really like this bag. I've worn it a few times. I've got a ton of compliments on it, and I would definitely recommend this bag. It does come in different colors. The shipping wasn't too long. I want to say it took like two and a half weeks, so that's not too bad, especially with this whole pandemic thing going on. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this bag. If you do end up ordering it, let me know. So now we're gonna go on to the next item. I'm just gonna put my bag back inside here because I don't want my cat to attack it. So the next item I'm gonna show you guys is one that I was super excited for. This one took long. I want to say it took like 3, almost 4 weeks to come, but it was definitely worth the wait. And it's Gucci. So it's something different, guys. So I always do reviews on bags. We're doing shoes now. The shoes come in this. Oh, I should probably have mentioned. So for the bag as well, it didn't come in like original boxing. It came in this bubble wrap and then like a cardboard box kind of deal. You could get the you could get the original boxing, but based on reviews, it said that if you got the box, that shipping would take longer, so I just chose to opt out. You know, you have the dust bag, so like I didn't really care for the box. So let me show you guys the shoes. These are my new babies. Aren't they so cute, you guys? They're stunning. Oh my god. I love these. So I got these Gucci slides. So I seen a YouTuber do a review on the originals, and I was going to buy the originals. The originals are like $400. And then I went on dhgate. I'm like, hey, you know what? Before I buy the originals, let me see if I can find a dupe. And I was able to find a dupe. Not only was I able to find it in my favorite color, but they have like a whole bunch of other colors as well. And this was $76. So 76 compared to 400, like, hello? So when you first get these shoes, they look small, so I was really scared that they weren't gonna fit, but like as soon as I tried them on, they fit perfectly. So they do have, oh my god, my ring light. Okay, so it does have the Gucci engraving here, just like the original. It has the Gucci engraving here, and then this is what the back of the shoe looks like. They're super comfortable. I love them. The heel is like perfect, and you can literally wear them every day. Again, they come in different colors, so you can get the color that best suits your needs. Based on reviews as well, there are people that had the original and then bought these, and there's literally like no difference. But then again, that if you don't really care about that stuff, then that's okay too, because like I don't really care about that stuff. But I know there's some people that want to get stuff that are closer to the original, so I just want to add that in there. So yeah, these are my new babies. I love them, guys. I'm getting good wear out of them. I'm still going to get the original, but I thought I should get these ones first. That's literally all I want to show you guys with this haul. So if you are interested in any of these items, just hit me up on Instagram and I'll definitely send you the link to the seller. Now, if the seller is sold out, I will do my best to try and find similar ones that have good reviews as well, so that you guys can get your hands on these babies. But yeah, if you did like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. If you want to see more, let me know. Comment down below which item was your favorite. Guys, I don't even know which one was my favorite because like I love both of them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!